Hi everyone! So in this video we are going to be making Shahi Hyderabadi Mutton Masala. This is a really amazing dish and I'm going to be making it with goat, but of course you can make it with lamb if you prefer. And I'm telling you, even if you normally don't like mutton, you will really love it in this dish. So let's begin. So first we start off by marinating our mutton. So I'm using 1 kg of goat with bone. And I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, you can adjust that according to your own taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala, 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper, and 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice. This is going to give it that really nice zesty flavor. And like I said, I'm using goat meat with bone because I think it adds a really nice flavor and you'll get that really great bone marrow, but of course you can use boneless meat as well. So we're going to mix our mutton thoroughly, making sure that we coat all of the meat. And once we've done that, we're just going to let it marinate. So I highly recommend letting it marinate overnight. That's what I did. But if you're not going to do it overnight, you have to do it for at least a minimum of 2 hours. Moving on to making our curry, we are going to need 3 medium finely chopped onions, 1.5 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 3 to 4 green chilies for garnishing at the end, and you'll also need some coriander as well, 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi or Fenugreek leaves, and 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. We will also need 3 to 4 chopped tomatoes. I use medium-sized tomatoes and we're going to just turn this into a puree. We will also need 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 8 to 9 almonds, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds or zira, and 1 tablespoon of coriander or dhania seeds. 1 cup of plain yogurt. And then we can move on to actually making our curry. So first off, we're going to dry roast the coriander and cumin seeds, the peppercorns, and almonds. Once you dry roast that, we're going to put it into our grinder and grind this into a nice coarse masala powder. You can see the consistency that I have here. And once we've done that, we're just going to add this masala powder to our plain yogurt and make sure we mix it really well. Once we've mixed that really well, we're also going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of Garam Masala and then mix this again. Next, we're going to heat up a little less than a cup of oil on medium heat and add 3 cardamoms, 3 cloves, and 2 bay leaves. Then we're going to add in our chopped garlic and fry until it is golden brown. Once our garlic is nice and golden brown like this, we can add in all of our chopped onions, and we're going to fry the onions until they are golden brown as well. Just as a reminder, we are frying all of this on medium heat. So once our onions are golden brown, we can add in 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper and give this a good mix. Once we've mixed that well, we can add in our tomato puree and fry this for another 1 to 2 minutes. At this point, we will put on the lid and let this cook on low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Once that is passed, we can add in salt to taste and continue cooking this on low heat with the lid on for another 2 minutes. At this point, you should check and make sure that your masala is well cooked and that you have a consistency like this. If necessary, cook it for a little longer, and if not, we can just move on to the next step. Now we are ready to add in our mutton. So add in all of your marinated mutton, increase the heat to high, and then make sure that you mix this, coating all of the meat in the curry. Now we are going to fry this on high heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Once we've done that, we can add in 1.5 cups of water and mix this really well. At this point, we're going to lower the heat to medium to low heat and cook with the lid on for 30 to 40 minutes. Mutton does take quite a long time to cook, so every 10 minutes or so you want to just open the lid and give this a good stir and check on it. At the end of 40 minutes, your meat should be about 80% cooked, at which point you should increase the heat to high and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you've done that, lower the flame again to low heat and add in your masala yogurt mixture. And then we're going to mix this in nice and slowly, incorporating the yogurt mixture really well with our curry. Again, I just wanted to mention you're mixing this slowly on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. I just wanted to emphasize that you really want to make sure that you mix that yogurt mixture in really well with the curry. It should look well incorporated like this. Once it does, you can increase the heat to medium heat and add in the Kasuri Methi or Fenugreek leaves. Then we're going to give this another good mix, and you can see that the curry is really starting to come together. At this point, add in 1 cup of water, mix, and we're going to cook this with the lid on medium heat for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes have passed, we're going to add in some chopped coriander and mix again. Once you've mixed that, I want you to cook this with the lid on again on low to medium heat until the meat is fully cooked. So at this point, after a few minutes or so, when you feel like your meat might be ready, you just want to double check the tenderness of the meat like I am here, and you want to make sure it's cooked and that it's nice and soft. The thing about mutton is that you don't want it to be chewy, we want it to be nice and tender. As you can see, our Shahi Hyderabadi Mutton Masala is ready, and it came out absolutely terrific. It tastes delicious, and you can enjoy it with rice, roti, naan, whatever you prefer. And I just decided to garnish with some green chilies. So if you all enjoyed this video, please give it a big like and share it with your friends. Comment down below with any requests or questions you may have, and subscribe for future videos. And make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post. Thanks for watching!